All right, good morning, guys. Wanted to run through the pairs with you real quick. So, USD JPY looks like it's getting stuffed on the weekly at that 200 EMA still. It's kind of creeping upwards, but we have like this baseline area that I think it's going to get stopped at, and probably won't proceed past that. Maybe it drops down after that. Just for a quick pullback to go back up. Anyways, we're watching this one. There's no trade that I really want to take at this time that makes a whole lot of sense. We could continue to go long here. I think we stopped out. We agreed to stop out recently, and yeah, so we would have locked in some profit here and here. But yeah, I mean, you can take this higher. For me, the momentum and the factors that are keeping it from going up are too high. So I just kind of want to watch and see what price does at this point. Yeah, and it's Friday, so going into next week, we'll reassess and try to see how it's poised after today's trading. USD CHF, I pointed down on this one, thinking it was going to drop off. And I even had this profit target here, and there was a big drop. That's why. Okay, there was this big drop that happened. So this is a trade that was placed because of the previous market action, right? So I was watching it right in here while I was going sideways. It dropped down. I decided on the day after it dropped down to get in, and I think that's a good look. You know, I think that's an intelligent way to play this, and you actually end up being able to take this down and make some profit. Right now we're break even based on yesterday's trade. We'll kind of see where it goes. Pay attention, try to see if it continues down, if it wants to head higher. Right now it does not look like it's going to head higher based on MACD. It just looks like it's losing steam and maybe will fall. And so if I look at higher time frames, so first to 4 hour, that doesn't look like it's going to go up anytime soon. Daily definitely looks like it's a big green bar yesterday, but it still hasn't recovered from this reversal sign and then this engulfing bar just yet. So I'm going to watch that, try to see what happens here, and I think that we're going to be able to take this down. Okay, USD CAD, this one really fell off the face of the earth. This is today, and I did talk about this. Yes, I remember. Okay, this is the one where I said, okay, this is going to be an early trade, one of those situations where you're in before there's a real signal to get in, so it's a little more risky. But trading this in this way, you're actually able to put your stop loss so far above danger. You're literally above the previous highs, and there's something to that. There's definitely something to that. My profit target was down here, or at least my first would have put an alert in right here. I think we actually put one in. I could have swore we had one in. Maybe it got hit, actually, because I did see that. This is something else. Interesting. Okay. Anyways, let me get back to where we were. Yeah, this one really fell, man. And now we're at the key level. And I think I mentioned something about the key level. Go back and look. But this is a 4% trade, almost 5%. It's a good look in one day. Being able to take that and be in and out. So something to consider, something to think about, something to keep in mind. Yeah, man, that's where we are. Okay, and I'm going to break down the rest of the pairs in the next videos. All right.